Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're keeping fine and safe in this pandemic situation and you are eagerly waiting for the job notifications to be out as to when the notifications will be out and you can fill up the application form and get into your dream job. So here I am. I will give you the notifications, the important notifications for the specified job. And in this video, we are going to discuss about DSSSB Recruitment 2021. Now you can apply now for 13,000 plus teaching posts and non-teaching posts. The date extended is 2/21. Now you can apply for 13,000 plus vacancies at dsssb.delhi.gov.in. There are non-teaching staff posts also. You can apply before 4th July. Candidates can check the DSSSB application process, the age limit, the DSSSB qualification, its experience required, selection criteria and other details here in this video. So DSSSB Recruitment 2021 is actually having the extend the deadline of submitting the online application by 4th July 2021 against the advertisement number 2/21. All those who have yet not submitted their applications have an opportunity to submit these applications for 13,000 plus vacancies of teaching and non-teaching posts. The candidates are advised to submit their applications as soon as possible before the closure of the application window. On the other hand, the online applications for advertisement number 03/2021 will be closed on 3rd July 2021 for TGT post for language teachers, TGT, that is English, Bengali, Urdu, Sanskrit and Punjabi subjects under Government of NCT. Now talking about the job summary, the notification is released by DSSSB Recruitment 2021. You can apply online for 13043 teaching and non-teaching posts at dsssb.delhi.gov.in. Notification date is 12th May 2021. The last date of submission is 4th July 2021. For the city New Delhi, state Delhi, country definitely India, and the organization where you'll work is other organization. Educational qualification required is secondary, senior secondary, other qualifications, graduate, etc. Functional will be administration, education, other functional area. Now this year, the board is going to fulfill around 13,000 plus vacancies of teaching and non-teaching staff in various departments. The candidates or the applicants who wish to work under central government have a huge opportunity. All the candidates are advised to apply to the post before the closure of the application window. The direct link to the online application is given in the website. You can check that out. Around 13,000 plus vacancies will be recruited for the post of TGT, that is Trained Graduate Teacher, Assistant Teacher, LDC, Patwari, Head Clerk, Patwari. The candidates can apply to the post against the advertisement number 02/21 on or before 24th June, while the last date of application for the advertisement 03/2021 is 3rd July 2021. Out of the total 13043 vacancies, 7236 vacancies will be recruited in Education Department, Municipal Corporation of Delhi, Women and Child Development Department for New Delhi, Municipal Corporation and Delhi Urban Shelter Improvement Board, and 5,500 vacancies will be recruited for TGT post for language teachers, that is English, Bengali, Urdu, Sanskrit and Punjabi subjects under Government of NCT. Out of the total 6358 vacancies are for TGT, that is trained graduate teachers. 554 vacancies are for assistant primary teacher, assistant teacher nursery. 278 vacancies are for junior secretarial assistant LDC. 50 vacancies are for counselor post, 12 are for head clerk, 10 for patwari, 1029 for TGT English male, 961 for TGT English female, 1 for TGT Bengali female, 346 are of TGT Urdu male, 571 for Urdu female, 866 for TGT Sanskrit male, 1159 for TGT Sanskrit female, 382 TGT Punjabi, 492 for Punjabi female. The selection of the candidates will be done on the basis of a one-tier exam scheme and skill test for whoever application is done. Check the application process, the age limit, qualification, experience, selection criteria and other details here in this video. So let me say about the important dates. Commencement of the submission of online application was 25th May 2021. The last date for submission of the online application is 24th June 2021. The starting date for submission of online application for TGT post is 4th June 2021. The last date for submission of online application for TGT post is 3rd July 2021. Application fee last date is 24th June 2021. Exam date will be notified soon. Admit card date will also be notified soon. Exam date will be intimated later by DSSSB Recruitment Board 2021. Now talking about the eligibility criteria. The educational qualification. The TGT or the trained graduate teacher. For this post, candidates holding a bachelor's degree in related subject and having a degree or diploma in training education will be required. The candidate must be CTET exam passed. Assistant teacher for primary. Candidates holding 10+2 intermediate qualification with diploma in elementary education or bachelor degree with diploma in elementary education. The candidate must be CTET exam passed. Assistant teacher for nursery. Now, candidates or applicants who have passed 10+2 intermediate exam with NTT training or B.Ed exam passed are eligible to apply. Now coming to junior secretarial assistant LDC. Candidates holding 10th class qualification with English typing with 35 word per minute or Hindi typing with 30 word per minute are eligible to apply. For counselor post, the candidate must be qualified in bachelor or master's degree in psychology or applied psychology, that will also do. For head clerk, candidates holding a bachelor's degree in any stream with computer proficiency with enough computer knowledge are eligible to apply. For patwari post, candidates holding a bachelor degree in any stream in any recognized university or institution in India can apply. Now coming to eligibility conditions. The candidate must be a citizen of India. The educational qualification, age, experience, etc. as stipulated in the advertisement shall be determined as on the closing date of the submission of the application form by the candidate. Now this is the important notifications I have talked about. Now I will come to the age limit. DSSSB recruitment age limit. For trained graduate teacher, that is TGT, the person should be below 32 years. For junior secretarial assistant LEC, age should be between 18 to 27 years. For Patwari, 21 to 27 years. For other posts, they should be below 30 years of age. For DSSSB Teaching and Non-Teaching Staff Recruitment 2021, for the selection criteria, let's talk about that. The selection of candidates will be done on the basis of a one-tier exam scheme which I mentioned and skill test for whoever is the application. Now, how to apply for DSSSB Recruitment 2021? Interested candidates can apply online for 7236 teaching and non-teaching staff posts from 25th May to 24th June 2021, while for 5,500 vacancies of TGT posts till 3rd July. After the submission of the online application, the candidates can take a printout of the application for future reference. That is actually advisable for you all. So DSSSB recruitment application fee for the general or OBC, it's ₹100. For all others, there will be no application fee for this examination. So you can understand from this, it's a huge opportunity. It's a huge vacancy, 13,000 plus vacancies are there. So definitely if you're eligible, the eligibility criteria was also mentioned by me. So if you are eligible enough, you can definitely opt for this job. As you know, this is a government job and there are so huge number of vacancies in this pandemic time. Such vacancies are really very rare. So 13,000 plus vacancies are there. So definitely if you want, you can apply. The notifications and everything are out. So hurry up before the last date appears. So all the best for your career. I hope you will get through the examination and you will pass out with flying colors and get into your dream job. So all the best. Keep watching. Stay home, stay safe and stay healthy. With that, I will end my video. Thank you for watching.